next important concept is about what I call it, order of precedence. So which one comes first? Suppose I say name equal to I say, Akarsh, or age greater than 15 and not name equal to let's say Rahim, right? I created 3 conditions here. The first condition is this, second condition is this, and third condition is this. Actually, this is my third condition, right? So I'm saying, so right now, let's say name equal to Akarsh. What will happen is this will become true, or Akarsh's age is more than 15, so this becomes true. And then it says name equal to Rahim. This is false because name is Akarsh. So if this is false, and then I saying on top of it, I'm saying not, that means this becomes true. So this is true or true and true. Which one takes precedence? First thing is not will take the precedence because we evaluated, so the first thing we did is we evaluate true or true. You always, if you see true or true and true, you always evaluate or first. Sorry, you evaluate and not first. Here you see, I said first name equal to Rahim, and then right now name is Akarsh. So this is false, and then I negated it. Then I created this part. This gave me, this whole thing gave me this true. So not evaluates first, then and evaluates. So in this condition, if you say T or T and T, the part in the green will evaluate first, and then whatever is the result, it will become T or true and true is true. So T or true, this will become finally true. So the order of precedence in these logical operators, first is not, then and finally or. Okay. But if you take overall, let's say overall. So suppose say A multiplied by B plus 2 greater than 21, or not parenthesis C equal to B divided by 2 and C greater than 13, right? Mathematical operator always takes precedence. So first you will always evaluate mathematical operator, which is this part. You will evaluate this part. Let me put it in red. This part and this part. Then it becomes condition, and then this condition, your not, then and finally or. Okay. So first your arithmetic operators evaluate, then your logical operators, then your conditional operators executes like greater than and all, and then finally your logical operators conclude. Why? Because you first want to evaluate A multiplied by B plus 2. This is what it evaluate. Then this whole thing is greater than equal to or not. This is your conditional operator, so that will evaluate, and finally or will evaluate. Always. So the logic, if you look at all 3 type of operators, math, conditional, and logical, your operator, your mathematical operator, then conditional operator, and finally logical operator. That is the order of precedence. And it's important, and you will have a lot of practice also, just to make sure that you feel comfortable, because you will be this condition, you make one mistake and everything changes, and you will see that it gets a little complicated when you have multiple conditions.